Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here we discuss about this cyclohexane derivative as well as cyclohexane trione derivative, which is having high enol content and why. Highest enol content we have to see. Monoenol tautomer are more stable than dienol tautomer of dicarbonyl compound, as well as reasoning question in tautomerine. Acetone more stable keto form than enol form. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Share my video with your friends. Thank you for watching. This is 1,2 dione. This is 1,3 dione. This is 1,4 dione. This is 1,3,5 trione will be there. All of them are cyclohexanone dione. This is dione. These three are dione. This is trione. So here this is more stable as compared to rest of other. Why it is so? Because see, it is from this cyclo. This is benzene 1,3,5 trihydroxybenzene, and this is resonance stabilized, and resonance stabilization is highly stable condition. So this is having more enol content as compared to dione. All of them are forming dione. So as compared to all these three structures, this will be more stable due to resonance. So highest enol content. Okay, 1,4 having least enol in this enol content. Now we will discuss dienol form would require. Dienol form are less stable as compared to monoenol form. Reason why it is so? Because dienol form would require two carbon-carbon. See, two carbon-carbon double bonds are there and two hydroxyl group is there, and thus conjugation is less stable, less effective intramolecular hydrogen bonding as compared to monoenol tautomer. Okay, now in case of this acetone, we will see that keto form is more stable as compared to enol form. This is enol form, this is acetone, this is keto form, more stable as compared to enol form. The reason is the same, that carbon-carbon bond energy is lower as compared to carbon-oxygen double bond. Carbon double bond oxygen in bond energy is C double bond O is more as compared to C double bond C. That is why keto form of acetone is more stable as compared to enolic form of acetone. See, monoenol tautomer more favored as compared to dienol tautomer. Here, because carbonyl group is present as well as the intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present, and extended this conjugation of double bond and carbonyl group as well as double bond takes place. So extended conjugation of double bond and carbonyl group gives resonance stabilization. All stabilizing factors are present. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding, here C double bond O bond energy is more, and one carbonyl group remain intact here. Okay, so you see here the carbonyl group